If you're looking to get your foot in the real estate door in Fort Saskatchewan for under $375,000,
then this half-duplex with a single car garage and a massive yard might just be the one for you.
welcome to 32 Caragana Way. Let's go check it out.